Okay, welcome back. For me, it's just a few seconds. For you, it's probably the next day. And we are creating this little game here. And I am at the point of where I guess I'm creating the HUD now. So let's see what we got here. Okay. Alright, that's fine. Final piece of our game needs the UI and interface to display things like score, game over messages, and a restart button. And I should start my timer here. Okay. Create a new scene and add a canvas layer node named HUD. HUD stands for Heads Up Display, and information display appears as an overlay on the top of the game view. Canvas layer node let us draw our UI elements on a layer above the rest of the game, so that the information displays isn't covered up by any game elements like the player or mobs. Okay, so HUD displays following information: score changed by score timer, a message such as game over, get ready, a start button to begin the game. A basic node for UI elements is control. To create our UI, we'll use two types of control nodes, label and button. Create the following children of the HUD node. Okay, so scene, new scene. Let's go ahead. I'm just going to go ahead and save this as main in here. Save. That way, we don't have a problem here. HUD. So, we need to create a canvas layer node. Okay, so, actually, user interface. Create a new scene, add a canvas layer. Let's don't save. Let's add a new scene here. Let's type create a new scene and add a canvas layer node named HUD. Canvas layer. Okay. Canvas layer node lets us draw you. Okay. Score basic. Create the following children as children of the HUD node. Okay, so fine. Add child node. We want a label. Let's name that score label. We want to add child node, another label. Create. Let's call this message. Create. Wait, let's delete that. Yes. Add child node. We'll call it button. Name start. And a timer named message timer. Okay. Click on the score label, type a number into the text field. Seven, 8, 9. Just for fun. Okay. The default font for control nodes is small and doesn't scale well. There is a font file included in the game assets called use this font, do the following to each of the 3 control nodes. Under custom fonts, choose there we go. Choose new dynamic font. Okay. Click on the dynamic font you added, and under font data, choose load and select the Selenium regular. No, that's not what I want to do. What would I do? What would I do? Score label. Under font data, choose load. Font data, choose load. Open. Something about size. Settings 64. Works well. Ingress and margin. Control nodes have a position and size, but they also have ingress and margin. Ingress define the origin. The reference point for the edges of the node. Margins update automatically when you move and resize a control node. They represent the distance from the control node's edges to its anchor. See design interfaces of the control nodes for more details. Arrange the nodes as shown below. Okay. Click the anchor button to set the control node's anchor. Dang. Okay, so I need to add a dynamic font. So let's go to the message label. Wait a second, let's go back up here for a sec. To use this font, do the following to each of the 3 control nodes. Okay. Right. Custom fonts. New dynamic font. Font. Load. Open. Says me. And we'll make that also 64. Alright. Can we actually just move this? Yes, I'm going to move this. Okay, so let's go to the start button. And we should be able to do the same thing with it. Custom fonts, font, new dynamic font, font, whoop, empty, load, fonts, load, settings, '64. Thank you very much. Enter. I'll put this down here somewhere. Okay. Now that we did that, okay. Right, that's about right. This one, this message. No, that's the start button. Where's the message label? Okay. Let's go into, where's the text of that? Dodge the creeps. Following settings. What about the anchor? Something about the anchor. Start. Alright, doesn't look like I'm going to get finished with this today, but we'll see here. Click the anchor button. Layout. I don't know what's, I see. Center. Oh, I see. Okay, center bottom. Center. Oh, I see. And then why can't I can stretch it out, but I can't. Can I do that? I don't know here what the deal is. Text 0. Layout top wide. Top wide. Layout. H center. Nope. Layout. Layout. V center. Wide. Okay. I like that. Actually, let's just go ahead and put let's just put 0 here. Let's just do what it says here. And let's lay out top wide. Just do what it says. Text dodge the creeps. Layout H center wide. Margin. Top. -200. bottom -100. I don't know, dodge the creeps. Okay, let's hit boom like that. Layout. Actually, let's do something here. Center bottom. Okay, so center bottom. Why? No, that's a start button or message label. Dodge the creep is H center wide. Align center. Auto wrap on. So you didn't tell me to do that before, because now it does that. All right, fine. I'll leave it. I'll leave it and I'll save it. We'll call this HUD, and we'll save it, and we'll finish the rest of it later. Quit. And I want to say thanks for watching and bearing with me, and we'll next week, tomorrow. Wait, what day is it? It's Friday. It's actually Friday, so this is for tomorrow. So I guess next week, Monday, you will see the conclusion of this. So thank you for watching.